Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Deltarune keeps crashing and not launching, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the search bar and type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to the display adapter section, and then from here right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now once that is done, that should update your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly if you have NVIDIA. Now you can also go over to drivers and then make your way over to a new, let's just say download if you have any, if a new driver is available, and then you can go ahead and update it from here. Now I also recommend restarting your PC right after doing these two things because it does help. And remember, if you are on AMD, you can always use the AMD app, or you can just manually install it from a browser of your choice. Now the final thing I recommend is going to be like turning down some like graphic settings in game settings, so you don't maybe it's possible your PC is not able to handle the highest level settings, so you can go ahead and try turning it down, and that might help as well. Now once you do all of these things, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.